So in this session, we will learn how to get the interface status of all the interfaces configured in the ACI fabric. So I'll open script. So this script is available on the GitHub. So you can use the same script to get the status of the interfaces. Once you will run the script, you will get the output like the interface name, port type, admin status, operational status, operational speed, MTU and usage. So let me run this script. So I'll run this script. I'll put the Python and the name of the file. I'll put the username, URL and the password. Now my script is running and able to see the output of the command. So here I'm getting the output, but here I'm using the lab setup, so I don't have any interfaces configured. That is why we are unable to read or show the interface status here. But in the same way, you can run the script to get the interfaces status configured in the ACI fabric. Now the next thing is to check the interfaces status. I'll open the script for this one. Now this is my script. And it will show you the result of the interfaces with some additional details like RX packet, transmit packets. It will also show you the received packets per second, transmitted packet per second, and also it will show you RX bytes per second and the TX bytes per second. So I'll run this script and will show you the output of this script. So now I'm running the script. Now my script is showing this output. Now here you can see it is showing the interfaces, but here in the lab setup we don't have any interfaces are configured at the moment, so it is not showing any interfaces status here. So here you can see you will get this information like get RxTX packet and the RxTX bytes per second. Now we'll also see running the show command to check the interface status from the nodes. So here I have opened the script, and this is the script to get the details like the minimum threshold utilization along with the input and the output usage of the interface. So in this script, so the minimum threshold of the utilization is set to 60%. So now we'll run this script in the entire fabric and we'll see the status. Let me run this script. I'll put Python and the name of the Python file. I'm putting the username, URL and the password of the apic. Now my script is running and I'll get the output. So here you can see I'm getting the output. So it is showing that max input usage found is 0% and max output usage found is 0%. So it means there is no traffic on the interfaces. As I'm using the lab setup, so there is no traffic on the interfaces, and along with this you can see the threshold is showing that it is set to 60%. So in this way you can use this script to get the input and the output usage of the interfaces on all the fabric nodes.